What's up? It's your girl Reese and welcome back to my space. If you're new, welcome, and if you're old, thank you for rocking with me for another week. Today we are doing a how to look expensive video featuring sweats. Because everyone's on the sweatpants trend right now because we're in quarantine, so everyone wants to be comfortable. And I'm with that because I'm all about comfort. But I want to wear sweats and look elevated and expensive. So I'm going to give you guys some tips and tricks to do just that. So first and foremost, you want to pick a sweatsuit that is one color. Do not mix and match here. We're doing one color. Preferably muted neutral colors. So my sweatsuit here is a chocolate brown. It is a little faded chocolate brown suit. I went with a sweatshirt and sweatpants because I can mix and match this in the future, but you can definitely do like a long sleeve with sweatpants or a t-shirt with sweatpants. Just make sure they are the same color. 2, you want to pick sweats that fit your body. I know oversized is in and I know oversized is comfortable, but let's leave the oversized look to the teeny boppers. You want to look like you're chic, expensive, elegant, not like you're studying for your midterms. Been there, done that. So I'm actually wearing an extra small sweatpants. Honestly, I think I could have gone a little bit smaller, but it was not as comfortable. And I still want the comfort factor. And the sweatshirt I got, it is an oversized style. It's the only one I could find that matched the bottoms. And it is in the smallest size. But it looks like it still fits my body. 3, so I know sweatpants come in all shapes and sizes and styles. But here we want to do a tapered pant, something that is tapered around your ankle. You don't want like the wide leg. It doesn't look as chic. 4, tuck in your top. And this is another reason why you want to pick pieces that fit your body, because it's much harder to tuck in an extra large sweatshirt into small pants. So yeah, and like I said, I picked an oversized style, so I'm going to try to tuck it into these pants and hopefully they look good. You don't have to tuck it all the way in, but you want to tuck it in a bit. So pull up your pants, no baggy around your hips. You want to pull it up and tuck in your shirt. Okay, next up, you want to add jewelry. Do not be afraid to add jewelry. Do layer some necklaces. Here I am doing it's one necklace, but it's a layered necklace itself. But add on more. You want to do accessories. I'm wearing rings, I'm wearing a bracelet, I'm wearing cute earrings. I like a little more muted style earring, but yeah, girl, throw on the jewelry. Throw on the jewelry. So we're gonna kibosh the sneakers here. Not as chic and expensive. It's a little too casual of a look. Honestly, even if you're wearing like the Balenciaga dad sneakers, which I hate, or like a Chanel sneaker, which I don't hate as much, although those have the brand names on them, I still don't think it looks elegant. It does make the outfit look so casual, and I want to like amp this sweatsuit up. So I would suggest going with a pair of heels or like a mule. Like I would do my Gucci Princetowns with these, or any mule really. And I am wearing these with a little bit of a heel because I'm extra, the most extra. So I threw on my Bottega Veneta sandals, and I think they look super good with this whole look. And last, the bonus is add a great bag. And you know, I mean, if you guys are here, you're probably here because we do dabble in a little designer. So throw on a designer bag. Don't be afraid to throw on your designer bag or a nice chic shaped bag, structured bag onto your sweatsuit look. Here, no surprise, you guys are gonna get tired of this, but I'm carrying my Kelly bag because I'm gonna carry this. I'm gonna cost per wear. It is going to be worth buying because I'm gonna carry it as much as I can. So this whole look is super chic, super elegant. I think that we did a great job here bringing it together, bringing the sweatsuit together. That's it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you got some good tips to elevate your sweatsuit look. Let me know if you are wearing oversized sweatsuits or you want to make it look fabulous. And I'll see you guys next time.